Hey you guys! Today I'm going to be showing you how to upload photos to your iCloud to sync across your devices. I'm going to be showing you two different methods, the iPhone or iPad method as well as the MacBook method, so have one or both of these devices on hand so you can follow along as we go through. Let's jump right in. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you have the iCloud syncing on and that you have enough storage to have it on. To do this, you're going to launch your settings, you're going to click on your Apple ID, then you're going to click on your iCloud. Beneath the apps using iCloud, you'll find your photos and you'll click on this. And this is where you'll find the sync this iPhone with a little toggle to the right. If it's turned off, then obviously your photos are not being synced with your iCloud. So when you turn this on, it's either automatically going to sync it if you have enough storage. If, like me, you don't have enough storage space, you're going to have to upgrade your storage and or manually clear your storage space. If you don't know how to manually clear some storage, Android Authority has videos on that if you just search them, where you can find out how to do that and do it effectively. There's also a video on how to upgrade your storage, but I'll show you in this one as well. We're going to click on Upgrade Options, and we're going to be presented with 5 different plans. So we have the 50 gigabyte plan, the 200 gigabyte plan, 2 terabyte, 6 terabyte, and 12 terabyte. The 50 gigabyte plan is super affordable and it's going to give you much more space. This is a good plan for people who just need more space for their photo library, which is what I need. So I'm going to select this $129 per month plan, and then I'm just going to click buy in the top right corner. I'll have to confirm my purchase with Face ID or passcode. You can go in and cancel this subscription anytime if it's something that you can't afford anymore. Once you have enough storage space, you're going to turn on the Sync This iPhone. Hey, if you're finding this video helpful, you can also support the channel through super stickers. Super stickers basically just help fund the channel and it helps us continue to create content for you guys. Thanks, and let's get back to the video. Next, you're going to go into your photos in your settings. You'll select this, and you're just going to make sure that your iCloud photos are on. If they're on, you'll have 2 different options beneath this. You have Optimize iPhone Storage, and beneath that, Download and Keep Originals. The Optimize iPhone Storage option leaves lower quality copies of your images in local storage while uploading the full-size originals to iCloud. The Download and Keep Originals option preserves the maximum quality of your photos. This option, however, can easily eat up space in your phone and your iCloud. Once either one of these options are turned on, your photos and videos should start syncing to your iCloud library. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do the same thing on your MacBook, so let's jump on over there. To do this on your MacBook, you're just going to first launch your photos. Then at the top, you'll find, to the right of the Apple icon, you'll find the Photos option here. You'll click this, and it's going to bring a drop-down menu. And then we'll go into Settings. To the right of General, we're going to find the iCloud icon here, and we're going to select this. And here is where we'll find that option to turn on iCloud Photos. We'll be presented with some upgrade options. So if I didn't have enough room on this device to turn on these iCloud photos, I may have to upgrade to something higher, like 200 gigabytes. But if you had enough room on your MacBook, it's just going to automatically unlock these 2 options beneath here. These are the same options as we saw on the iPhone. So this is going to be the Download Originals to this Mac, or beneath that is the Optimize Mac Storage. These options mean the same thing that I went over before, so you can choose which one that you prefer. Once you've selected these, all of your photos in your library are going to be synced to your iCloud and uploaded there so that you can access them. If you needed to manually add something to your photos on this Mac, I'll show you how to do that as well. Once you manually add it to your photos here and your MacBook photos are synced with your iCloud, then it's just going to automatically be uploaded to your iCloud as well. So for this example, I'm going to airdrop a photo to my MacBook, and it's going to show up in my downloads. I can drag it to my desktop just so it's easily accessible. Once it's here, I'm going to do a double click or right click, and then I'm going to select Share, and I can just simply select Add to Photos. Now when I open up my photos, that photo I just shared is going to be right there, and because my MacBook is synced with my iCloud, if I logged into my iCloud photos, then this photo will also be there. Alrighty, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that this information was helpful to you and you can use it and apply it to yourself. Thanks again, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one.